I'm going to do a little unboxing video. A couple of disclaimers out there first off. I'm in no way affiliated or promoted by or anything. Skate Euroshop. I know they got a little bit of bad press about their customer service. All I can say is I had a great experience. You know, I ordered it. They answered all my messages. They tracked it. They sent it. They didn't take payment till they sent it. Couldn't ask much more for an online provider. I've taken the banding off. I'll probably fast forward this, but just going to open up, see what it's like. Well, it's well packed if nothing else. So here we go, first impressions in, see what's actually in the box. So metal paddle comes in 4 pieces with moulded blades and a little anti-drip notch, rubber splash guards, aluminium and adjustable 3-way adjusters on it. So that's quite a nice little touch for a standard paddle. Yeah, it's quite a long one. I've had it together. It's a bit long. The carry bag, really happy with this. It's a really substantial carry bag. So it's got some nice thick wheels on it, well put together. Shoulder straps, well stitched. Little compartment bag, and it's mesh as well, so whatever you're putting in wet, if you do have to pack anything to wet, you know, it'll just drip out, which is great. Also, that's a reinforcement for the front splash guard. Also comes with it this little repair kit and valve tool in there. What I would say about that, it doesn't have a seal in it, so I'm going to put a little O-ring seal in that lid, because it's not watertight. Obviously it'd be tied on somewhere anyway, but just to make sure. Here's the skeg or the fin or the dagger board, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, good substantial plastic, got a little bit of give in it, so it's not going to snap, I wouldn't have thought. Nice snug fit for the lock. Yeah, little safety tie on there. Pump's nice and good, it's got a good seal on it. There was an O-ring in there, so I was happy about that. It's a 2-way pump, as you can see, so you can either do it fast or easy, depending on whether you have that valve in or out. So sort of standard stand-up pump. Yeah, alright with that. Here we have the seat. On the seat, I'm not a big one for inflatable seats, I must admit. It's got quite a substantial sort of pack on the back of it. And again, I've looked at all the stitching, and it seems quite well put together, I must say. Little, you know, like the fact that these are metal. The only thing with that is, you're going to have to watch what metal they're made from, whether they rust or not. But I'll keep an eye on them if, you know, I can't foresee any problems. But quite like that. Velcro on the bottom. Whether there's Velcro on the bottom of that, I very much doubt. I think that's for the booster seat. So, but I have heard it's got a lovely bit of padding on it. You could add your own, I suppose, if you really wanted to. As I said, I'll unbag that when I get outside because it's 3.50 m long. It's sunny at the moment, so it's cold, but it's sunny, so I'll go and blow it up and see what we think. Here's a booster seat, which I suspect, yep, there's the Velcro for it. Now, a couple of schools of thought on the booster seats. Gives you a slightly easier sitting position, but does make it a little bit more tippy, so I've been told. So that's all what you get in the box. As I say, quite happy with it so far. Literally just got it. So next thing, get that out, get it blown up, and we'll have a look at it, see what the build quality is like. Thank you. Right. There we go, the actual kayak itself. I was going to do it outside, but it's minus whatever, so so one of the original complaints were the seams. Yeah, they're alright. That's a good sturdy PVC, whatever plastic they're using. Bubble wrap, I'll save that, something else to do in lockdown. So the valves are all good, all that, little tie-ons, great. Even like the washer there, it's a good substantial washer. I might put a little tab of natural grease on it just to make it slide a little better, but as standard, that's pretty good. I've got half of it up, so I've got this side, the base, just to have a quick look. All your boat people will love this. Yeah, that's the front, that's the back. Yeah, easy as that. There we go. Here's a little foot support. It goes through the eyelets. And then just put it to the tension you want, obviously depending on how long your legs are. So I like that, that's going to support a lot. As I said, I've not inflated this fully. It's not that I don't trust the pump. Now the pump was really good, it's fast, it's two ways. When you get up to the high pressure, if it's, you know, it's a bit too much resistance, you just take that out and you're only getting pressure on the downstroke. So, but it was super quick to inflate. As I say, I haven't inflated it fully according to the pressure gauge on here, because I'm going to get another pressure gauge on it and see what this one's like. I've no reason to believe it's not right, I just want to check it. And plus it's straight out the bag, it's been folded up, so I'm just going to let it stretch for a while. I've got the bolster seat in. There's nothing to attach the bolster seat on the bottom of the kayak. What I might do is affix some rubber on the back of it, just stop it sliding it out. I probably won't use the bolster seat, to be fair, but if I'm lending it to somebody and they want to use it, I need it to be right. So let's get the seats in. So there's Velcro on the back. The seat actually sticks to the bolster. These are the forwards. So here it is, all pumped up. Seats in. Yeah, I'm super impressed with the four-way adjustments on these. They're just standard pull tensioners. As I say, the sort of D-shackles are well fitted to the side, but as you can see, there's plenty and your tension's taken up everywhere, and so there's not too much pull on any one D-shackle. And again, with the foot rest, you can have that as tight and loose as you want. Sod's law, I've done this inside and now the sun's come out. But yeah, as I say, I'm really happy with the build quality. When I actually get it in the water, we'll be the real test. But I said I'd put it together, and I have. It's little touches like the handle. So there's carry handles either end, so if there's two of you, or if there's one of you, you could quite easily lift this with one hand. It's relatively light kayak. Let's take this off. So as I say, this is the 3.5 metre, I think it's the longest single seat they do. But there's plenty of storage room behind. And obviously the seat's central. As I say, all the mouldings and the glue seems fine. Splash guard. Yeah, as I say, I'll try it with the booster seat. It doesn't seem to move that much, but you probably want a little bit of play in it, so I'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, as I say, I haven't taken it up to full pressure because I'm not overly sure how accurate that is. Not that I disbelieve it, I've no reason to, but I'll get another pressure gauge on it, and then yeah, overall, very happy. So, next thing we do, here we go, here's claws. Yeah, so the next thing we'll do is get her out in the water, see how she tracks. Been wanting a drop stitch kayak for quite a while, and as I say, it's quite substantial underneath. I mean, that is solid, that is. Yeah. So, as I say, when I bought it, took a bit of a gamble, read on the internet, you know, you can't find a lot about the story. It's Skate Euroshop's own brand, so I'm guessing it's outsourced and they put the brand on. Yeah, so I think we'll get this all packed away into the nice carry bag. And then the next video I'll do, hopefully, will be on the water. But, yeah, very happy with the build copy. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.